Borax has been sitting on store shelves since the 1800s, and most people just buy it for laundry and completely ignore it. But that is a massive mistake that is draining your wallet. What this simple $7 box can do around your house will absolutely shock you, and it's guaranteed to save you hundreds of dollars on cleaners and exterminators. Today, we are breaking down 15 brilliant, budget-saving hacks that have outlasted every modern trend. Make sure you stick around until the very end, because our final hack reveals an absolute game changer that will completely wipe out an entire household nightmare overnight. You won't want to miss it, so let's get right into it. 1. Eliminating sidewalk and patio weed invasions. Unwanted weeds pushing through the cracks of your concrete driveway or brick patio can ruin your home's curb appeal instantly. Instead of buying harsh chemical weed killers, simply pour a teaspoon of dry borax directly into the crevices where these stubborn plants emerge. This mineral drastically raises the boron levels in that isolated patch of soil, effectively poisoning the weed right at its root system. However, you must apply it with precision, as it creates a permanent barren zone where no vegetation will survive for the entire season. If you find this cost-saving garden hack incredibly useful, please take a quick second to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so you never miss our ultimate home care guides. 2. Reviving and reshaping shrunken wool garments. Accidentally throwing a precious wool sweater into a hot laundry cycle used to mean sending it straight to the trash. Fortunately, you can reverse this common laundry disaster by dissolving a single tablespoon of borax into a gallon of chilly water. Submerge the shrunken clothing item completely and allow it to soak for about 30 minutes while gently stretching the fabric back toward its original dimensions. The chemical properties of the mineral work to relax the tightly bound animal fibers, granting them enough elasticity to be reshaped. Once the time is up, lay the garment completely flat on a towel, pinning it down in its correct shape until it dries perfectly. 3. Preserving the natural beauty of flowers indefinitely. If you desire to keep a sentimental bouquet from a wedding, or capture your garden's peak blossoms forever, Borax offers an ancient preservation secret. Begin by filling a sturdy plastic container with a thick layer of dry borax powder. Then place your chosen flowers face up inside. Gently pour more of the powder over the blossoms until they are entirely submerged, ensuring the granules slip into every delicate petal without crushing them. Leave the container undisturbed for 2 to 3 weeks while the mineral extracts all moisture. When uncovered, the flowers will remain structurally intact, vibrant in color, and completely preserved for a lifetime of beautiful home display. 4. Erasing stubborn rust stains from fabric and clothes. Rust stains are notoriously difficult to remove and often lead people to throw away perfectly good clothing or purchase expensive specialty chemicals. You can create a highly potent, natural stain lifter by combining equal parts of borax and fresh lemon juice into a thick paste. Slather this mixture directly over the unsightly orange stain and let it sit undisturbed for roughly 30 minutes to work its magic. The natural citric acid from the lemon actively breaks down the iron oxide, while the mineral base draws the residue up to the surface. After a quick scrub and a thorough rinse, even the most stubborn rust marks disappear completely. 5. Overlooking the trash can shield against odors. Most homeowners thoroughly scrub their kitchen trash bins but find themselves frustrated when foul odors return just a couple of days later. The actual issue is not the cleanliness of the plastic, but the moisture and residue that accumulate underneath the liner. To solve this, sprinkle a generous half cup of dry borax directly into the very bottom of the empty bin before inserting a fresh trash bag. This powder acts as a continuous deodorizing shield that actively absorbs moisture while discouraging pests like flies and ants from invading. This simple, inexpensive routine takes mere seconds but keeps your waste disposal area smelling fresh for several weeks. 6. Neutralizing harsh winter road salt on car floor mats. Living in cold climates means battling destructive road salt that hitches a ride on your boots and ruins your vehicle's interior carpet. When this salt dries, it bonds aggressively with the fabric fibers, leaving behind permanent, ugly white rings that erode the material over time. You can easily save your vehicle's floor mats by washing them thoroughly with a warm water and borax solution instead of plain water. This alkaline compound instantly neutralizes the acidic road salt before it can permanently set into the carpet fibers. Integrating this extra step into your car wash routine keeps your mats looking brand new and extends their lifespan. 7. Shielding outdoor timber from rot and destructive insects. Protecting unpainted outdoor wooden structures from the elements does not require expensive industrial sealants or highly toxic chemical treatments. By dissolving a healthy dose of borax into a gallon of boiling water, you create an incredibly potent, invisible protective glaze for wood. Brush this liquid generously onto bare fences, backyard decks, raised garden beds, or shed sidings, allowing it to penetrate deep into the grain. Once dry, the minerals embedded within the wood fibers form a hostile barrier against rot, mold, and wood-boring pests like termites. Reapplying this forgotten solution annually guarantees your outdoor wooden features remain structurally sound for decades. 8. Eradicating silverfish populations in hidden areas. Silverfish thrive in dark, humid environments like basement corners, crowded bookshelves, and bathroom closets, quietly destroying valuable papers, clothing, and pantry items. Because they are nocturnal and elusive, setting traditional traps rarely solves the core infestation plaguing your home. A superior alternative is to dust a microscopic layer of borax powder along the back edges of shelves and baseboards. As these pests crawl through the treated areas, the powder clings to their bodies and acts as a lethal poison. It is vital to keep the layer incredibly thin so they do not avoid it, while ensuring it remains out of reach from pets. 9. Banishing cockroaches from kitchen baseboards and appliances. Cockroaches are incredibly resilient pests that travel along predictable pathways behind heavy kitchen stoves, beneath refrigerators, and inside dark baseboards. You can bypass the high cost of a professional exterminator by deploying a precise, strategically placed dusting of dry borax powder. It is absolutely crucial to apply a whisper-thin layer along their travel routes, because if the powder is piled too thick, they will simply walk around it. The insects walk through the fine dust, ingest it during grooming, and inadvertently carry it back to their hiding spots. Within 2 to 3 weeks, this continuous cycle completely decimates the hidden roach population. 10. Polishing gray scuff marks off white porcelain sinks. White porcelain sinks eventually accumulate ugly gray streaks over years of heavy use, leaving homeowners to assume the glossy surface is permanently scratched. In reality, these unsightly blemishes are merely microscopic metal deposits left behind by heavy aluminum cookware and stainless steel pans. You can easily buff these marks away by sprinkling dry borax onto a damp sponge and scrubbing the area with moderate pressure. The powder possesses a unique hardness that effortlessly lifts the metallic residue without scratching or dulling the delicate protective glaze underneath. Your vintage sink is restored to a sparkling, pristine condition without the use of harsh, abrasive cleaners. 11. Breaking the flea life cycle within household carpeting. When a beloved domestic pet brings fleas indoors, treating the animal is only a small fraction of the battle against an infestation. The real danger lies within the carpet fibers, where hundreds of microscopic flea eggs and larvae await their chance to hatch. After running a heavy vacuum to capture adult pests, sprinkle borax generously across the carpet, focusing heavily on your pet's favorite resting zones. Use a stiff broom to push the powder deep down into the base of the carpet fibers where larvae hide. This natural mineral acts as an intense dehydrator, drying out and killing the eggs before they can mature. 12. Deep cleaning hard water toilet rings overnight. Dealing with stubborn hard water rings and dark calcium scales inside a toilet bowl usually requires backbreaking scrubbing with pumice stones. You can eliminate this chore entirely by pouring 1 full cup of borax directly into the toilet water right before going to sleep. Do not flush the toilet. Instead, let the powder sit undisturbed through the night to chemically break down the mineral bonds. The alkaline solution goes to work dissolving the stubborn calcium and lime scales while you rest peacefully. In the morning, a simple swipe with a standard toilet brush and a quick flush reveals a pristine, sparkling bowl. 13. Deep cleaning pollen and grime from window screens. Simply blasting your dirty window screens with a garden hose feels effective, but it mostly just rearranges the fine dust. The sticky pollen, environmental soot, and outdoor grime remain trapped deep within the microscopic holes of the mesh screen, blocking fresh air. To truly clean them, Submerge a soft bristled brush into a warm borax and water mixture, and gently scrub the entire mesh surface. The solution breaks down organic matter, lifting the grime entirely out of the screen instead of pushing it through to the other side. A final rinse leaves the mesh completely invisible and clean. 14. Blending an ultra-affordable homemade laundry detergent. Commercial laundry detergents have skyrocketed in price, forcing families to overpay for basic household necessities that are filled with artificial fragrances. You can break this cycle by mixing your own historical, highly effective laundry powder using 3 basic ingredients. Combine 1 cup of borax, 1 cup of washing soda, and 1 finely grated bar of traditional Fels naphtha soap together. Store this dry compound in an airtight container and utilize just 2 tablespoons for every standard load of laundry you run. A single batch costs mere dollars to assemble, but easily powers through 50 loads of heavily soiled clothes. 15. Destroying an entire underground ant colony completely. Spraying individual ants running across your kitchen counter only eliminates the pests you see, leaving the main underground queen untouched. To wipe out the entire colony permanently, create a slow-acting bait by mixing a teaspoon of borax with a cup of sugar dissolved in warm water. Soak cotton balls in this sweet syrup and place them strategically along active ant trails near windows and doors. The foraging ants mistake the mixture for food, consuming it and carrying it back to the heart of the nest to feed the colony. The borax slowly disrupts their digestive systems, wiping out the entire nest within 2 weeks.